Hi, this is Richard at Idiomas Flow, and I'm here to tell you today a little bit about question tags. Now, we use question tags in English to turn a statement either into a question or to get confirmation on it. And here's how it works. Basically, what you do is you take a statement, for example, an affirmative statement like he went to China, and then you add an auxiliary verb, not, and the subject. He went to China, didn't he? You can also do it with a negative statement. Take a negative statement, and instead of using not, you just use the affirmative with the auxiliary and the subject. She can't swim, can she? Now, there is an exception to this rule, and that is with the verb to be. If you're using the verb to be, is, am, are, you don't need to have an auxiliary verb. You just use the verb to be as the main verb. For example, it's beautiful, isn't it? Now, there's an interesting thing that happens when we use question tags, because we can use them either to confirm something or to question something. This is based on the intonation that we use. If we use a falling intonation, we are asking for confirmation. For example, he went to China, didn't he? But if we use a rising intonation, what we're doing is we're actually asking a question. He went to China, didn't he? So, maybe instead of using questions as you normally would, or if you're trying to hedge your bets a little and get some information from somebody, you can use a question tag to either ask a question or confirm what you already know.